what advice do you have for especially youngsters, and I'm talking about like 20s, 30s, जो relationships में currently हैं या सोचें to go into relationships? What should they keep in mind when they're doing this in terms of being financially independent, but also being able to support each other?
Not to rush. Not to get emotionally charged, emotionally swayed. I think it's very important not to get rushed.
Not just physical attraction.
This is the most life-altering decision of your life.
It is, yeah.
Marriage is life-altering. But if you made a mistake, get out of it. Get out of it. Because further life-altering is when you become a mother. Right. When you become a parent. So two life-altering happenings in events in a woman's life is marriage and when she becomes a mother. Marriage has takes its own toll if you made a mistake. Right. But it becomes a great source of strength if you made a right decision. But at stage where you think it's holding you back, it's dragging you, it's draining you, it was a wrong decision, or it became a wrong decision over a period, I think you can choose to separate. And there's nothing wrong in separation. But be very careful when you become a mother that are you going to make good parents, both you and your husband? Are you going to make good parents? And do you have support system to groom the child? These are also life-altering decisions. Because once a child is born, you have a lifelong project. You have a lifelong responsibility.
You're bringing in a soul and that...
You're bringing up a life which has to live life beyond you.
That's true.
So I think these are very life-altering decisions. So never rush or be careful in be bold in taking brave decisions, but also being very, very deliberate in taking, particularly being a parent decisions, father or a mother. It's a very important, because father or mother is one of the biggest, most challenging today in life. Being a parent, being a good parent.
But when you talk about, like, even now, divorce is a big taboo amongst the society, especially जो women and, you're talking about middle class families even, उनको लगता है कि अगर divorce हो जाए हमारी family में, it's a big, society क्या सोचेगी, outside के, relatives क्या सोचेंगे. It's a big hold back. So do you think that should be a taboo, divorce or separation?
It's another decision in life. अभी इतना कम हो गया. पहले ज़्यादा
होता था.
अब सीधे mutual consent से you can separate. Mutual consent से. So झूठी शिकायतें लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Mutual consent से आप separate कर सकते हैं. But then it also becomes what kind of investments you made into family. अगर आपने अपना सब कुछ invest कर दिया, अब separate होने आपके पास कुछ नहीं है. Joint accounts में चले गए. तो आपके पास क्या बचा? So don't get into joint accounting. अपना account रखो. Joint account रखो, लेकिन अपना account भी रखो. Financial independence is very, very important. हम गलतियां करते हैं. सब कुछ इधर उधर दे देते हैं. अपनी space रखो. आप अपनी life में देते रहो. बांटते रहो. लेकिन अपना सब कुछ अपनी lifetime में surrender मत करो. But that's not being selfish. It's being wise and mature.
Okay. Did motherhood change you, ma'am, when you became a mother?
Yes, it did. It did. Very big responsibility. I think for me, bringing up a child was more challenging than even my profession. Profession, I knew what to do, where the rules, where the laws, how to deal with them. I was very careful, confident. But what do you do with a child?
Right.
And I also had a child when, particularly if the child has a medical issue. Then you're dependent. And I was very, very dependent on my mother because my child had a medical issue.